Education improves every aspect of the state's existence. Higher education achievement improves the quality of life. It lowers crime rates. It improves health outcomes. People that are better educated eat better, exercise more, smoke less. All of these factors improve the quality of life in Texas. And so we need to make sure that we promote the message around the state that achieving at higher levels in higher education is absolutely in everybody's best interest. The Closing the Gaps initiative was established in the year 2000 with the idea of, by the year 2015, bringing Texas to parity with college performance and college excellence with states around the country. A lot of people misunderstand the purpose of Closing the Gaps. We started behind as a state, and so the idea was simply to get us to parity. We are on track, but not quite as close as we'd like to be to achieving our success goals, which means having students finish their credentials, certificates in community colleges, associate's degrees, baccalaureates and beyond. Where we are far behind is in terms of meeting our goals in areas like STEM fields, science, technology, engineering, and math. We are behind in producing teachers for science and math, and we are behind, but not seriously behind, not grossly behind in achieving our goals for Hispanic enrollments and success. We're caught in a kind of a demographic squeeze because the population that is growing the fastest is the one that has been historically the least well educated. So we have to make sure that the young people that are coming through the pipeline are prepared and eager to do college level work. We also have to make certain that we provide them the academic support programs, the financial aid necessary to do well in college. Most of the kids that are coming through the educational pipeline today are poor. Community colleges have an enormously difficult task because by tradition and by mandate, they are open admission institutions and they take on all comers. And a lot of the students that they take are not ready to do college level work. So one of the areas that we have to improve is remedial or developmental education. Community colleges are working very hard in that area. We're trying to help as much as we can. We can get by with some small increases in state funding for higher education. If we have to take cuts, it will be very difficult. We had an enrollment growth of 102,000 new students in Texas public institutions between the year 2008 and 2009. We have to fund those students. I'm very confident that we can achieve the goals of closing the gaps, at least most of them. I'm not certain we can achieve the goals related to the science, technology, and engineering. We are going to have to improve the quality of instruction in K through 12. Higher education needs to strengthen the training of teachers in K through 12. We need to attract more of our brightest undergraduates into the teaching profession. We need to do a better job of retaining students when they come into higher education, whether a community college, a technical college, or a university, and make sure that they graduate. We need to do a better job of aligning programs in higher education with workforce demands and economic development. We need to counsel students better about what jobs are available to them and what kinds of careers are most likely to be promising and well-paying. And we need to inform the public about its obligation to help our young people strive to go to college and do well once they get there.